Hi, this is Steve Hutchinson with Hutchinson Family Office. Now, over the past 30 plus years of my career, I've learned there's a simplified approach to proper investing. What I'd like to share with you in this video is what I like to refer to as 8 timeless principles of investing. First, let's focus on what you can control. Market movements, business decisions, economic events, politics, interest rates, these are many factors that can influence the performance of your portfolio. But instead of worrying about these events that are really out of your hands, let's focus on optimizing what is in your control. Second, let's put time on your side. The financial markets have rewarded long-term investors for many, many years. People expect a positive return on the capital they supply, and historically over time, the equity and bond markets have provided growth and income that has more than offset inflation. Third, let's tune out the noise. News cycles driven by fear, uncertainty, and doubt can challenge even the most disciplined investor. Some headlines spark anxiety by their very nature, while others try to push you into chasing the hottest fads and trends. Although we live in an era of seemingly infinite data, information overload can cause you to make some faulty decisions. When you tune out the noise and focus on your long-term perspective, we believe you'll achieve a better level of success. Fourth, don't try to time the markets. You probably heard someone tell you that buying low and selling high is the road to investment success. The problem is that you'll never know how the market will perform from year to year or which segment will outperform. Yesterday's winner may be tomorrow's loser. And chasing performance is rarely a successful strategy that seeks to protect and grow your investments in all market environments. Holding on to quality assets through all market cycles has proven to be one of the most successful strategies. Excessive trading, timing the markets, and reading a crystal ball are all the possibilities for an outcome of failure. Fifth, it's important to understand all forms of risk. Let's take market risk, or the risk of your portfolio losing value. It's not the only risk you should be thinking about. Long lifespans, rising inflation, rising healthcare costs mean that many Americans face a real danger of running out of money during retirement. While you shouldn't be reckless about risk, make sure that the fear of investment loss isn't leaving you open to other forms of risk. Sixth, avoid the emotional roller coaster. Emotional decision-making can wreak havoc over the long term of your portfolio returns. A recent Dolley study found that while the S&P 500 returned almost 10% between 1995 and 2014, the average investor fared much worse, seeing only a meager return of about 2.5% during the same period. Why? Research suggests that investors make poor investment decisions about buying and selling, frequently driven by the opposing psychological forces of fear and greed. Seventh, kick up the savings. Spend less and save more is one of the best things you can do to boost your long-term financial picture. Consider this simple example. If you have a $250,000 portfolio and you earn a salary of $100,000 a year, and you invested 10% of your salary each year at a 6% nominal annual return, let's assume 3% with inflation, you'd have over $800,000 in 20 years. However, if you increased your savings rate by just 1% each year to a maximum of 15%, you'd end up with nearly $1 million in your portfolio. And finally, eighth, delegate the details. We can help you create a customized portfolio strategy that's built around your unique goals. Though we can't control the markets, we can help you pursue your long-term financial goals. These 8 simple principles of investing can give you the needed guidance to help you meet your financial goals. In the past year, we've had a lot of noise in the financial markets. Sometimes we avoid the noise and sometimes we pay too much attention to it. If you maintain a consistent strategy over time, we believe you will achieve success. As always, if you have any questions about anything I've talked about on this video, please feel free to give us a call.